There's somebody light these candles.
It's okay, even if just one. There's no wind, that's why it's hard. Gusto dito?
What's your birthday wish, Joaquin?
May dito. Okay, blow.
I'm a girl.
Do not blow, Alexander. Do not blow.
Do not blow, Alex. Let Ading blow it. Okay?
2, 3, blow!
Oh, you can blow na, Alex.
You blow,
Help
Alex.
Ading na.
Yeah!
Wow.
Go back to America. Happy birthday!
Yeah. Joaquin wants to visit America. That's his wish, right?
So garon.
So I'll get a knife.
Or you want to kiss Nana?